Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all in the Salesforce training for the beginners. We will discuss about the users and how we will create a new user in the Salesforce environment. So we have already covered the security model part 1. So if you have not seen the video, so you can go to the description box. You will find the all the video Salesforce video link. So you can see, and because these are the necessary to go to the next level of the Salesforce lecture series. So now let's go to start users in the Salesforce environment. So go to the quick find and type users, because users play a very important role in the Salesforce environment. There are the three important part in the Salesforce environment. First one is the create a profile. So we have already created a profile, so you can see the video. And then we have already created about the role, that is the second important role. And the third one is the users. So that is the very important part of the Salesforce or security model in the Salesforce environment. So these are the three things play a very important role or significant role in the particular organization. So manage the organization data or kind of a role hierarchy and user creation, and accordingly we can assign the profile or roles. So as per it's up to you. So now go to the user. So whenever you type this user, so you can see here there are the n number of options are available here in the box. So first one is the permission set groups, next the permission sets, profile we have already created or we have already seen, queues, roles. Now this one is the today's agenda is the users. So how we will create the users for our organization. So that is very easy in Salesforce environment. So after click on the users, you will have a kind of different types of the layout. So these users already available in the Salesforce environment, or either I have already created there are the so many users. So these are the users we have already created in the Salesforce environment. So if you want to edit any kind of any roles, we can go to the click on the edit button, either we can delete. So in the Salesforce environment you can remember only one thing: we cannot delete any user. We can just deactivate or active mode. So if we don't want to particular user, so we can just check box uncheck the particular user. So that is a kind of deactivation of a particular user. So there are the two types of the user. First one is the active user or deactivate user. But we cannot delete the user. So that's why there are the two functionality are available: active user or deactive user. If we don't want to particular user, just we can remove we can deactivate that particular user. So now as per our needs, as per our requirement, we want to create a new user in Salesforce. Or so how we will do that? So click on the new user. So after click on the new users, we will have a this layout. So just kind of sign up or kind of fill up this form, and definitely we will be able to create a new user. So you can see a few fields are having the red pipe symbol. So the right pipe symbol means nothing but that is a kind of mandatory field, means we are required to fill these fields, and remaining field we can skip. So you can see first one is the first name. So first one we can enter here as per your needs. Last name we can enter. Alias name nothing but that is a kind of visible in the Salesforce org. So it is the combination of the first letter of the first name and four letter of the last name. So that will be the automatically will provide the Salesforce. So email, you just type the email and automatically username will be set as a email ID. So your email ID will be treated as a username, and your name whatever you want to create the username or nickname, so you can set. Otherwise automatically Salesforce will provide a kind particular nickname. Now next one is the role. So as per our requirement we can do that. We can select that there are the so many fields are available. So as per our requirement, as per our needs, we can select the roles and user license, which type of user license we want to create. So in this there are the so many user license are readily available by the Salesforce. So we can choose any of the as per our needs. And then profile. So as per our requirement, where we can select. Now this is the active or deactive. If we want to create an active users, that this is the right check. Otherwise we can deactivate through this removing the check. So this in this way we can create a new user and nothing we have to do, and all the things we have to manage. Or if we want to approval, so you can just select either this, either as a approval, and then click on the save button. So after click on the save button, you will be able to create a new user in the Salesforce environment. So that's it. In this way we can create a new user in the Salesforce environment. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, if you gain something, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and like the channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.